The if function is hands down one of the most powerful functions in Excel, and it's actually way easier to use than you think. In this video, I'll teach you everything you need to know about the if function in approximately 1 minute. Let's get started. For example, here we have sales data, and we need to flag which sales rep hit their $10,000 target and which didn't in column E. Instead of checking each row manually, we can use the if function. The if function checks whether a condition is true or false and returns a different value depending on the result. To use the if function, enter the function, and first we need to enter the condition we are checking as the logical test argument. In this case, we want to check if the sale amount is greater than or equal to 10,000, so I'm going to select the first sales value and enter greater than or equal to 10,000. Next, we need to enter the value of true argument, which is the value Excel returns if the condition is true. In this case, it means that the sales rep hit their target, so I'm going to enter hit target in double quotes. Last but not least, we need to enter the value of false argument, which is the value Excel returns if the condition is false, so I'm going to enter miss target in double quotes. Now that we've entered all three arguments, fill the formula down the column to automatically flag every rep. You can also easily combine the if function with the and or functions to check multiple conditions at once. For example, now let's say we want to identify which reps hit their $10,000 target and have been here for more than 3 years to see if they're eligible for an additional tenure bonus. All we have to do is copy this formula into the new column, wrap the and function around our logical test, and then add a second criteria checking the tenure by selecting the first tenure value and entering greater than 3. Don't forget to close the and function with the closing parentheses and then fill the formula down the column to flag which reps meet both conditions simultaneously. Or if you want to check for either condition instead of both, just swap the and function for the or function, and Excel will flag any rep that meets at least one of the criteria. You just automated hours of manual work with 3 simple arguments. That's the power of the if function. If you found this video helpful, hit the thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more Excel tips.